interview which I used to take in 2014-15, उसमें जो candidates आते थे.
Much higher quality. Having a great finance person along with a good IT partner
Yeah, absolutely.
is something that any organization needs. And ensuring that I'm able to deliver to customers something that is better than what they are doing currently is where I want to be. Basically, we should not fit in. We should make space for ourselves.
Yeah, that's correct.
So fit in मत करो. अगर लग रहा है कि reshape हो सकता है तो please do that.
Welcome to one more episode of Eye to Eye, that's Idea to Impact, where we have some deep conversations with key management persons from the company and try and learn something from it. I am your host CA Vishal Mehta, representing my company Prophetic Business Solutions Private Limited, which is into VCFO services and international tax restructuring. Today we have a special guest with us, Meena Chatbar, who is Director of Finance and Business Operations at IntelliWaves Technologies, which is an IT company based out of Mumbai. It also has its presence in Pune and Dubai. Welcome to the show, Meena. Glad to have you here.
Thank you, Vishal, for having me here.
Yeah, I still remember the days when we used to have articleship together. You were my senior. After finishing that, of course, I had my own journey into a job, and from there on, I started my own practice and also have now my company, which provides VCFO services. To some extent, I had track of what you did till the time we were in touch. But post that, so just walk us through your journey post finishing your CA.
Okay. I think post finishing my CA, the first thing that anybody would do is look out for jobs. That is what I started off with.
Yeah.
The market wasn't really good at that point in time, but eventually I started my corporate job with Datamatics. I moved to UK. There I worked with Nestle.
Okay.
Then I came back to India. Then it was ABN AMRO, Capgemini. So series of organizations that I've worked with.
Okay.
My core love has always been finance because I've been chartered accountant. That's what I've learned, so till today my core love is still finance.
Finance. Okay.
I think I've built my career in planning and analysis. That's where I started off with, and that's where my life took me, and I
Yeah.
really enjoyed doing it, and till date I'm doing the same thing.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
I think that the levels have evolved, but the core of what I do still is finance, and I think finance is core to any business.
Yeah. Yeah.
So it spans across different units, be it
Yeah.
sales, HR, operations, anything. So,
Yeah. That's why it's called as the blood of
Yes.
the company. Yeah. To some extent, our interest matches. Even I love that financial planning analysis role. When I was in job, I used to do that, and post CA completion of course, post moving into practice, I also had an option of specializing into tax audit, but I preferred this role which links with finance. That's why we are into VCFO services.
Okay.
So tell me something, Meena. In today's world, how you see CFO's role evolving, or rather already it's evolved
Yeah.
to some extent.
So I've been in tech world, for quite some time now, almost 8 to 9 years, and I strongly feel that the world has changed completely. I
Correct.
think when we started our journey as CAs, CAs were looked upon as somebody who looks at finance. It's no more there. CFOs today are supposed to know everything, be it finance, be it technology, everything. I've been talking to many CFOs in various conferences. When we have deals with customers, we go and speak to them. So one thing I've realized is CFOs are now supposed to know technology.
Correct.
They cannot be aligned to technology,
Yeah,
not aligned to technology,
Yeah,
sorry.
yeah.
So they should know where they are going.
Yeah.
Because if they are not able to adopt themselves to these newer technologies, I think they'll not be able to make it.
True.
And it's just not for finance professionals, it's for everybody in their organization. But I
Yeah.
think it's more so with finance people because they are bloodline in any
yeah.
organization. Yeah. So CFOs are seen nowadays as somebody who is a go-to person, be it anybody. So even when IT decisions are taken and ERP decision is taken, CFOs are involved. So you cannot say that you do not know or you are not aligned to what
Correct.
and the where world is going as far as
It
technology is
doesn't come
concerned.
within my field. All those things you cannot. Of course, you don't need to have every bit of knowledge, but knowledge to the extent that you can use it.
Yes,
you can,
in a sense,
be with
what
it.
sort of scalability that software can get you.
Correct.
Is it the right technology
Yeah.
for your sort of organization where you are working?
Correct.
The line and the industry that you are into, does the ERP suit there? what has the your past experience been in your earlier organization.
Correct,
So
correct.
all of that coming together decides the
Yeah.
role of a CFO
Correct,
now.
correct.
The CFO are no longer bookkeepers that they were earlier.
Yeah, true. I absolutely agree to it. So, tell me from your journey to data metrics and all those jobs. So, since when you are into this IntelliWaves technologies, and what does this company exactly do? I know that you guys are SAP Gold partners, but just something more on it.
Okay, so essentially, I would say we call ourselves as consultants. We provide you consultancy services on cutting edge technologies, supporting you through your ERP journey,
Okay.
putting you onto digital transformation path. So there can be various means of getting into there. So one of the means is SAP, and that
Okay.
is where our expertise lie into.
Okay.
So in case you are envisaging a technology movement, digital transformation for our organizations, we pitch in. We make sure that we understand your business requirement,
Okay.
how that can be aligned to this office, and what is best suited for your organization or industry. So
Understood.
so basically we work on providing you a robust solution to your digital journey or digital needs.
Okay. But then is it only SAP or also like when you are saying that you help
We
companies
have
transform digitally,
yeah, so
then
we have Microsoft as alliance partners. We work with
okay,
Azure, we work with cloud. So there are a range of services that we
correct,
deal into.
correct, correct.
Yeah.
So tell me, Meena, something. I have always believed, I think majority of people would think the same, that SAPs are for larger organization, while other organizations can get their work done either through cloud-based softwares like Zoho, Zero, or maybe Tally. So is that true even in today's world? Also, the other softwares also have now adopted, so that's also the reason.
Yeah.
But in general, SAP के बारे में ऐसा सोचते हैं कि we are
Yeah.
not yet
Yeah.
that big. So is it true?
No, I don't really agree with you here,
Okay.
Vishal. To throw more insight into this, when we started IntelliWaves, the whole purpose of starting IntelliWaves was because we saw there was a market gap. There were businesses which were not very big, like large organizations like Fortune 500 companies that we are talking about, but mid-range organizations where revenue size was between 100 crores to maybe
That also
5,000
is
crores
quite
and
big
all. Yeah,
because
that's a
it's not
big, yeah.
difficult. It's not
So these
easy
are
to manage.
essentially
Yeah.
MSMEs and SMEs that we are talking about. They were not catered to by any ERPs. And we thought SAP was a good fit. It is a good fit as well. So I would say, as an organization evolves, the ERP, the tools that are used in an organization evolves. So business cycles decides what tool you should be using.
Correct.
So essentially, anybody, I think around 100 crores, 100 CR company should look at SAP as an ERP that they can implement. There are various combinations available which can be catered to as per the customer requirement. But
Okay.
and why SAP? SAP, I think, has a cutting edge technology. They are investing when it comes to AI technology. They have been adopting themselves
Yeah.
as the world is
They are the
evolving. They are front leaders,
runners.
yeah.
Yeah.
So
Correct.
and when an organization grows, you would want to ensure that ERP that you are on grows along with the
Correct,
world
correct.
around you
Correct,
and the growth that you are envisaging. So
Correct.
having something which is beautiful as SAP, I think it's one of the robust ERPs that you can have.
Correct. So key takeaway it's that not necessarily only Fortune 500
Yes,
companies should
yes,
take it.
yes. The
At
smaller
least you should evaluate.
yeah, because I think the right time, if you ask me what is the right time for any organization to move to SAP, when you are not too small and not too big.
Correct.
So essentially,
So that by the time you become big,
you
you are
have
already
your processes
adapted.
aligned, you have your operations aligned. So I think that middle
Maybe
size
it can
is
also increase your speed of becoming big.
yes, because it gets in lots of business efficiencies into the process.
Correct, correct.
Yeah. So yeah.
No, totally agree. And is it always about the turnover criteria that just you mentioned that if a company is going towards big, so whatever that, when we say big, is it always a turnover criteria when a company should think about SAP or other criterias are also there?
I think that's a great question, Vishal, because with the shift that I'm talking about, shift as a customer that we should be having in India is, it is not only about turnover, it is about how badly do you want to grow. Because if you want to grow, your processes will increase, your operations will grow faster. For example, if right now you're working with one machine, if you want to work with 100 machines at end of say 5 years, you cannot have 100 people doing that, you know, you will have to use technology there.
Yeah.
So
Correct.
to do that, you need to be enabled, and the process has to start now. So your growth plan, your business complexity is something that defines what ERP or what technology is you want to use.
Correct.
So it cannot be just turnover, you know. If you have a growth plan, definitely you see that you are, for example, if you're in the manufacturing sector, it's an ideal scenario, you know. SAP is very good at that. So material requirement planning, resource planning, everything can be done on SAP. So you have real time insights.
Correct.
Stock fulfillment can be done very quickly.
And I
So I
think,
think, yeah, so
some of the cases your investment in SAP will come out from.
of course, for example, if I say currently you are a 400 crore company, say, okay, your COGS is 50% right now, so around 200 CR is what you're talking about. And if using SAP, using the business processes, getting efficiency into your operations, if you are able to save 2 to 3% of your COGS, that
easily.
amounts to at least 3 to 4 crores. So your SAP
Aramse.
cost is actually recovered out of.
Correct.
So your ROI on investment as a finance person straight away comes from that.
Correct.
So when I advise my clients, since I've been into, we sort of have background of finance.
Yeah.
So we talk to customers like that, and this is how it works in the real market. So it's only because if there's a better ROI, customers invest into
Yeah.
technology.
And
So,
that's
but
a long-term thing.
yeah, and as a partner, it is important for us that we enable them to understand where this savings efficiencies can be can be brought into operations or business.
correct.
So there's lots of business value that is generated out of having a better ERP into
Yeah,
place.
absolutely. Because the saving
Is
or
a big
ROI
amount.
is continuous.
Yeah,
And I
this is
believe
the
cost
this is
with
the this is
SAP
the
is
straight
one-
ROI that I'm
Correct,
talking
correct,
about right
correct.
away. There can be some intangible benefits that you
Yeah.
will not be able to
Yeah,
understand.
yeah.
Having your processes in place ensures that your business does not fall. Operations is very important when it
Correct,
comes to a manufacturing sector.
Yeah.
So you
Controls.
So you have
Auditor
that
will
peace of
report
mind.
highly about
Exactly.
your company. Yeah.
The fishing around is not possible. Somebody cannot play with your stocks. You know, you have real time control.
So IntelliWaves has completed 10 years, if I'm not wrong.
Yes.
So tell me now the journey of IntelliWaves from the time you were in.
Yeah.
What kind of challenges it has faced during all those years?
Okay, so to start off with, I think any organization
Yeah.
like it was for us, getting that first customer,
Yeah, correct.
I think is a challenge.
You were part of that when.
Yes, I was
Okay,
part of
awesome,
IntelliWaves
awesome.
when we started with our first customer, making that first invoice. You know, I made the
I
first
know,
invoice. I
yeah.
still remember it. Yeah. So getting that first customer, somebody showing trust in you, and they've been our customers till
Correct.
date today. So after
Correct.
a decade as well, they are our customers. So I think. So that is one of the challenge I think for any
get that
startup,
first
getting that first customer,
Correct.
because I think the journey starts there,
Yeah.
and then you have references.
Someone has put trust on
trust
you. So
on us, yeah,
gaadi
exactly.
chal gayi. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. That is there. And with the IT landscape evolving very fast, I think the talent retention, talent upskilling, getting good resources is a challenge.
Yeah. That
I think it's
totally
true
agree.
for any organization.
correct,
So
correct.
I would not say the problem has disappeared. It exists. It will exist. But I think you need to have backups.
Yeah.
Yeah. And you need to have your key resources aligned.
Correct.
You need to have your business process sorted. And I
Correct.
think that's it.
Correct.
That helps you grow.
Yeah. So I know, I agree. Resource is a big challenge.
Yeah, and essentially, when you are a service driven organization, it is very important that you create that awareness that they are important as well to you, because our growth is driven by their growth.
Yeah.
And I think in smaller organization, the growth is much faster,
Yeah.
because you get to learn things which you not get to know in big fours. You know, you get to know that in early stage of life,
Correct,
how does business work.
Yeah.
It might be at a smaller scale, but you get to work around different
Yeah.
domains of the same
Correct,
organization.
Correct. You
Yeah,
can
so-
wear different hats at the same
Yes,
time.
same time.
And yeah, cross-functional knowledge and all.
Yes,
totally.
exactly.
Correct. So tell me something. From the time that customer approaches you, or sometimes you may be approaching customers, how do you take him through the journey of SAP? Because this is not a product or even a service where like people like us income tax return भर दिया हो गया or maybe something
know.
more
No,
GST return but
it's a
so
longer
you have to
process. Yeah, yeah.
carry
It's
him
a,
through this
yeah, yeah.
all entire journey.
Yes, it's a long process. You know, you first sort of understand customer requirement, give them a demo, give them a proposal, get SAP aligned, understanding the license requirement, understanding what are the processes, because you know the implementation methodology changes with the type of industry that the customer is.
Exactly.
So, like if you're talking about manufacturing, the processes are much robust. If the service industry, processes are little lesser. So, essentially, understanding customer requirement, fitting it into SAP product structure, understanding license requirement is what partners do. So, that is where we play a very important role, and bridging that gap between SAP and customers is what essentially is the role that we as partners play. So, making them understand what the implementation process will look like,
Correct.
and essentially it takes between 4 to 6 months for any
Yeah,
organization
that was
to
what I was going to ask.
yeah,
That
so it,
would be the
it,
average time span. Yeah.
it depends. It depends. The sector that we are catering to, 4 to 6 months.
Okay.
But if you talk about bigger organizations which are already on some other software, it takes year or two as well.
Okay.
Yeah, it
And
depends.
what kind of post-implementation support does IntelliWave provide?
Everything that you can talk about. It can be user training, training your resources, how they should be working on SAP. Because I think essentially, you know, for any digital transformation, there are three very important things that you should look at. One is people, second is process, and technology. We help you with process and technology,
Okay.
you know, whereas people is something, people management, or I think I would say change management is something that organizations should start doing 6 to 1 year before the
Correct.
implementation is on their mind. Because moving to a bigger ERP, you know,
Or sometimes moving from no ARP to
to
ERP.
ERP, exactly.
Yeah.
So the because controls are very high, so people who've been used to working in controls
Without controls or
without
less
controls, they
controls.
find it really difficult. Q control
But
karna
at
hai.
the same time, they could
Yeah.
be important personnel
Exactly.
in the
And in
organization.
India, I think the general mindset is chalta hai, kar do. I think with tools like ERP, it doesn't work. SAP, sorry.
Yeah, yeah.
With SAP, it doesn't work like that.
Correct.
There are very stringent
As simple
controls.
as changing the date.
Yeah.
All those things.
This
you know,
cannot be
fixing
done. Yeah,
these-
and there is an audit log completely.
Audit
So it
trail,
is very
yeah.
difficult to do sort of those having loose ends at SAP. But at the same time, these are the things which makes it different from other softwares, you know. So if you, as an owner, if you want to bring in business efficiencies,
Then these controls needs to be.
yeah, these controls are key to your business success, you know. And if I wear CFO hat here, it helps me understand where is my COGS going, stock fulfillment, sales order fulfillment. Is everything that is driven by, currently I see many organizations are maintaining it on Excel,
Yeah.
and I think that is not the right approach. So shift, it calls for a big shift when you move to an ERP. Everything is goes on to ERP. The information is real time then, and it helps as finance person, you know, I know what are pending orders, whether I'll be able to fill those or not, what is additional things that I'll need to order, reorder or plan. Procurement planning happens very swiftly then.
Correct.
So I think these three things, people, process and technology, is something that somebody should think about when you think about digital transformation. Because you get best of the processes, best of technologies, but if people are not aligned, it doesn't help.
Correct.
As we say, garbage in, garbage out. So as a partner, if I see my customer putting in so much of money onto an ERP, and if they are not able to utilize SAP so well, I think the entire purpose of having SAP is lost.
Correct.
So people management is a very key thing that happens when any organization thinks about digital transformation.
So that also could have been challenges in few companies that you would have faced, that the decision maker who is going to put the money, be it owner or whoever the decision maker, that he's ready, and that's why the implementation has started. But the user are actually people below him, and they not using properly, and blame shifts to your blame, or you can say, you know, the output result is not as expected to the owner. And then you guys cannot do much about it because the users are not using it properly.
This does happen. But we've been working in Indian market for a long time now, so we envisage these problems,
Yeah.
and we tell owners that
Correct.
so that is where I say we are not only a technology company, we are a consulting company as well,
Yeah.
because we think only delivering a product doesn't help.
Doesn't help.
So
Yeah.
there should be things beyond technology or products that you deliver to customer.
Hmm.
So we tell them that you need to get this done as well, because this is important element. So if
Correct.
people are not aligned, getting best of the technology will not help. So I
Correct.
think we've understood Indian market very well now.
So now you have
And
adjusted to
yeah.
it. Correct.
Yeah.
So you mentioned your first client. That how happy you were that you got either that or any one client which you think that was our best client in terms of our performance as well as the client support and
Yeah.
how you.
Yeah. There is one FMGC company. I would not be able to name it here,
Okay. Yeah.
But when the COVID hit, we just had one request from them, which was like, एक staff हमको दे दो जिसको SAP आता हो. And we just gave them one staff. We did good work because we believe in excellence.
Hmm.
And good work kept on increasing, and eventually we were able to replace one of the big fours
Oh.
working there and we got their AMC contract.
Awesome.
So I think it is essentially the good work excellence by my team which has been able to deliver this sort of performance.
Hmm.
Yeah, so I think that was amazing, and journey is still
Excellent.
going on.
Yeah. It should never stop.
Yes,
It should move from generation to
generation,
generation.
yeah.
And tell me something, is the retention of talent also an issue at your end, that if someone you have trained for so long, now they become your key assets in terms of personnel, and they moving on, then you finding another person of the same level taking time, because this is a general problem of any service industry, especially because
Yeah.
employees are our main assets,
Correct.
they are not just employees.
Yes, true, very true. I think you, as an organization, we should identify who the key people are in
Correct,
your organization, who are your pillars.
Correct.
So identification of those pillars and retaining them with you is very important.
As far
So
as
I-
possible you need to retain.
Yes, and we've sort of done that. Try to do it. It's working right now in our favor. So I'm happy for that.
Correct. Excellent. So tell me, Meena, when you say that garbage in, garbage out, uh, in your terms, what do you exactly mean by that?
See, data discipline is very important,
Okay.
because if the data discipline, whatever goes into the system, is not managed in specific fashion, you would not be able to reap the benefits. The cost of
organized
ERP,
data?
yes,
Organized
organized data.
Okay.
The timeliness of data is equally important. For example, if you have stock reports and you are not uploading it onto SAP at the right time, the real time value of the software is compromised completely there. And in fact, you would not believe it. I've met certain CFOs in few of the events that we attend, and they were like, "We have SAP system in place, but we do GST manually. Only
Absolutely
40."
not.
Yes, 40% comes from SAP, and 60% of the work is done on Excels.
Okay.
And I felt really sorry for them.
Uh,
But this is what I mean when I talk about mindset change.
so-
India,
Yeah.
we are talking about AI, technology, development, but it has to start at grassroots level.
Correct. आगे
It
की
hasn't-
बात कर रहे हैं
पीछे
नीचे
नीचे नहीं हो रहा है.
basic-
सो पीपल जो डेटा इनपुट कर रहे हैं उनको भी वो समझाना उतना ही ज़रूरी है. जस्ट सेइंग दैट हम कर रहे हैं, बिजनेस एआई हो रहा है, टेक्नोलॉजी इंडिया सबसे आगे है सब जगह पे नहीं है. वो माइंडसेट शिफ्ट एज एन ओनर, एज अ लाइक इफ यू आर एन ओनर, वो सिर्फ आप तक नहीं सीमित होना चाहिए. इट हैज़ टू फ्लो अक्रॉस द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. 10,000 लोगों में एट ग्रास रूट लेवल, make them understand why this shift is needed. Because if India has to become China, see the output that China is doing today, you will go
because
crazy.
everyone is doing.
Because in China everybody is doing it at grassroots level. In India we are not there.
Correct.
हम लोग हैं ऊपर जो हम लोग कर पा रहे, बिकॉज वी
Superficial level पे
हाँ
है.
कर पा रहे, बिकॉज
कोई
वी हैव
YouTube
दैट
video बना
प्रिविलेज.
दिया.
एग्जैक्टली. So I think it is responsibility of each and every one of us as owners, as people who know what IT is, what technology is, what AI is, getting that mindset into those people.
I feel not using, in spite of having it, would be the worser situation than person who has not
yeah, and I felt
implemented
really
it.
sorry for that guy, and I was like, "Acha, really ऐसा हो रहा है?" And and I think I have had this belief not one time. I have talked to multiple CFOs, and it still persists.
Correct.
So, and I think only change that can happen is mindset change at organizational level. It has to be driven at organizational level.
So you would have any SOPs of like the one example you gave, if you want to have real-time stock report, then that updation of-
We
so
do
ऐसे-
have a complete process documentation that is given to customer. We educate users how to do it. In fact, we do process audit as well on SAP.
हाँ.
So if you want to understand, if you are already on SAP, what are process gaps?
Someone else has implemented, yet
Yeah,
you can
we do that.
process.
Yes, we do
Okay.
that. So we go, our experts go there. We have solution architects. They know SAP well, so they will go understand your system. Sometimes we have customers coming to us saying that they have performance issues with the system. So
That is
understand.
linked to all these problems.
Yeah. So understanding what the performance issues are, we consult them. These are the gaps. This is what you can do. What are possible options? We talk to SAP if it's a product problem,
Product.
or if we can, we go to them to understand if there's alternative solutions that can be implemented at customer site so that they are able to use SAP efficiently.
Correct. But tell me, sometimes a business owner may face only problem of that particular area or whatever you can say. He may not need, at least in his mind, he doesn't need a full ERP. मेरा problem बस इतना को लेके ही है. So does SAP also offer that, or SAP says no, come to me only if you want to go full ERP, or else there are other softwares available in market, go to them. Is it that way, or?
It does sell few products in a bit, but essentially, having it, if you want to utilize SAP well, you have to have entire set of ERP with you to be able to benefit.
So
They do
situation is
have
to
certain
have
small
full.
components as well, like SAP Concur वगैरह है.
Okay.
But पूरा एक सिस्टम आप लोगे तभी आप उसका बेनिफिट सही से यूटिलाइज
If you want to have full.
या बिकॉज आपके पास एक छोटा सॉफ्टवेयर है, फिर SAP का कुछ ले लिया, वो इंटीग्रेशन मजा नहीं आएगा आपको.
So ideal would be whom? Of course, you will have to give solutions to both companies. But one is having no ERP and have come to you. They are growing, etc. and wanting to implement SAP. And one is using some ERP and have come to you. So whom, based on your experience, whom do you feel will adapt faster? Moving from one ERP to other?
I think moving from one ERP to another
Will
is
adapt
always
faster.
because you already have few processes set in the process. But I think in India, I know even with smaller businesses, you do have some sort of smaller ERPs.
Yeah.
So Indian mindset में वो कहीं ना कहीं बैठा हुआ ही है.
Correct.
So I don't say कि because जिसके पास ERP नहीं होगा अभी will not move to SAP for sure. So
straight
anybody
away won't move to-
Yeah. So anybody coming
Very
to
rare,
SAP
very
will always already have
some
kind of ERP.
That's a good one. Yeah.
Yeah.
Correct. I agree. So tell me about your woman entrepreneurship journey, or you can say CFO, woman CFO journey, in the sense that I'm not putting a lot of stress on women, but in general, woman does face certain challenges which men do not.
Yeah.
And certain times women also gets benefits which men do not. So what are your experience in being a woman entrepreneur?
I think it is not easy game. The
Yeah.
balancing, I think it is not only for me. Anybody, any woman working, doing job or in business,
Yeah.
there are multiple issues that crop up. But I think building a good support system is very essential. It can be professional, it can be personal, on both fronts. When I talk about professional, you need to have good mentors.
Correct.
You need to have good peers who are always there to support you, guide you. And personally, though, we know, having a good family support is equally
Is equally
important.
important. Yeah.
So that pre-exist, and I think it's more so in Indian setup where the expectations are very different. When it comes to foreign world, the expectations of women are really different.
Yeah.
And in India, it is different. And I do concur to that. However progressive we are, we still have to reach that level. So it does exist. So it's a balancing act, I would say, for any CFOs, anybody working, any tech woman.
Yeah.
I think if you ask me कि क्या करना चाहिए, तो I think voice it out. Anybody, any female, even if you are alone in a room, if you have an idea or have something on your mind, please speak.
Yeah.
Because we shouldn't feel that कि मैं कैसे बोलूँ. I think it should be voiced out.
And that's why I think government has given special this funding opportunities to women entrepreneurs.
Okay, I don't know. That's a great insight. I don't know that.
It's
Okay.
for very base startup where you just have an idea, nothing else. मतलब
Okay.
कुछ बना भी नहीं, neither
good
proprietorship,
यार.
no account. You just have to, as you mentioned, speak it out.
हाँ.
Just right persons को बीच के consultant को यार, if you know the website, then directly also.
Okay.
And you just throw the idea, some sort of formal document, and they start.
That's
from
good,
there.
yeah. That's good. Really good to know that.
So startup initiatives are good from
Correct.
government side.
That's great.
Correct.
So, having good support system, speaking out whenever you think you have really good idea to speak about,
Yeah.
good support system. और क्या हो सकता है तो basically we should not fit in. We should make space for ourselves.
Yeah, that's correct.
So fit in मत करो. अगर लग रहा है कि reshape हो सकता है तो please do that. I think females are very good at that. So
Yeah, women are good managers. That's why even if someone is housewife, I don't call them housewife, they are house managers.
Yeah. Because I think lots of investment goes in there as well. You know, managing time, managing kids, managing family is not easy.
Correct.
So yeah, I completely align on that one as well. They are managers.
House managers.
Yeah.
So
So this comes naturally to girls.
certain
women-
skills are natural to
Natural,
them.
yeah.
I'm not saying men.
And that's where it is important to have that gender blend into any organization.
Yeah.
Because if you do not have that, it doesn't work the way it should. You know, I think
वो एक
we've
wheel बन
designed.
जाता है.
We've I think both the species have been designed with a DNA.
हाँ.
And वो हर जगह चलता है. घर पे भी चलता है,
Correct.
organization में भी
Exceptions
चलता
रहेंगे,
है.
but in general,
Yeah, that is how
women
it
have certain
works.
skill set, men have
Certain
skill
skill
set.
set. So both of them जब align हो जाता है ना, it is to the next level.
Yeah.
So yes.
In your case, it is aligned, I believe.
Yeah, it is aligned. It has to be aligned.
Yeah, absolutely. So now you have found your space, right? So
Yeah.
now till the end of your journey, it's going to be IntelliWaves.
Yeah, I wish and I want to.
Yeah.
But I think we believe in excellence, be it women or men. I think that is what is important to us as an organization, you know. Delivering excellent solutions to customer, ensuring that we are class apart from other organization is what we strive to achieve. So I think doesn't matter women, male, what we look for is excellence and good work.
No, I completely agree. Even we sometimes feel a lot about Big Four, tired of hearing that. But we also need to understand that just, feeling victimized or, feeling low about it doesn't solve it. There is some reason why they are Big Four. So, like government keeps on saying, in so many years, why are we not able to make that
Like
big
we
fifth?
Yeah, exactly.
Even if not removing them from Big Four, at least make the big fifth. So few things, of course, they have the years behind them. So and I'm not saying in terms of revenue, but one of our aim also, like my aim also, was to at least compete them in terms of having the same kind of deliverables, like you mentioned, excellence. Revenue will take its time because they have the years behind it. But okay, we can also match that SOPs, we can match that excellence, we can match that deliverables.
Exactly.
At
So,
least-
yeah, I think this was the exact reason IntelliWave started, to be very honest. We come from a background where we worked with MNCs. So we know processes होना चाहिए, ऐसा होना चाहिए, ऐसा होना चाहिए. But Indian market में बहुत बड़ा gap था, where those were not taken seriously.
Correct.
And as a partner, I think you enable that to a next level. When you talk about Big Fours now, since you've spoken about that, we've interacted, we've had, when we send out of proposals, we have competitors and they are Big Fours. So nowadays, अगर हमने ऐसे भी pitch किया है, and if the Big Fours are not there, we get worried. Why is Big Four not coming in and pitching in, So there are customers where Big Fours are not there, only tier 2 partners are there.
Yeah.
So because customers have had that realization now that the quality of work can be different. The thought process can be different because with smaller organization, they are catering to your specific needs.
Yeah. I even have...
So the customized response that you get, there's involvement to a very next level of founder as well sometimes,
Yeah. I also face them as a competitor in few things, like I incorporate multinational companies, wholly owned subsidiary. That is where, for other things, Big Four is not our competitors in that sense. But this, they feel that this should be our cake, when foreign companies coming into India and all. But I also seen that difference in MNCs. They may still want their audit ka thappa from Big Four because they have to,
Correct. Get
but
the
to manage their accountancy, finance, now they are okay. In fact, they are more inclined to go to people like us, provided we also match that efficiency for that very simple reason of
yes.
able to reach
Because
directly to
I
the
think
owner.
because we have that hustle,
Yeah,
we
yeah.
want to reach there, we want to do something
Correct,
better,
correct,
and I
correct.
think that shows in the work that we deliver.
Yeah,
Probably, I think we are aligned here completely,
yeah.
and I think customers are aligned there now
Correct,
as well
correct.
because I think that's where they are approaching smaller partners, understanding what they get onto the system.
Yeah, yeah.
Of course, cost is a big element
Yeah, cost is a big
because the
element.
cost goes really up when you go with big
Yeah,
top
yeah,
fours
yeah.
of the
So
organ.
that becomes advantage to us.
Yeah, that's an
But
advantage
we
as
also
well.
have to match their
Yeah, so the pricing, the delivery, everything,
yeah.
is a pro for
Correct, correct, correct. Because when
organization.
Apple is compared to Apple and then the cost is low, then it makes sense. You cannot compare Apple to
And
Orange and then
while
say
we are
cost
saying
is
this,
low.
one more important point is adoption.
Hmm.
In smaller organization, adoption is quicker.
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 Yeah,
We know Nokia, classic example.
yeah, yeah.
We started off mobile with Nokia, yaar. Everybody had Nokia. We do
Yeah.
not see Nokia existing now
Yeah, yeah.
because they're not
Absolutely.
able to adopt.
Yeah.
So I think adoption is very key in today's world. Essentially now, next
Correct.
5 years, we are not, I don't know where we are going to reach. I don't
Yeah.
know what AI is going to do.
Yeah.
We might not be sitting here, maybe, and the podcast would be
Yeah,
happening.
in fact, I think such
It's
things have
already
already
there.
started
Yeah, exactly.
happening. Yeah. That was going to be my next
I saw
question.
this AI celebrity the other day on Instagram. It was completely AI driven
Yeah.
celebrity, and it had an account on Instagram, and I
Ah,
was like, all right.
I think Shark Tank had some one pitching for that.
Oh, okay.
I have yesterday I was speaking to someone that he's going to give his voice as to AI agents.
Okay. And
So
those agents,
AI,
yeah.
voice of human, and he will start getting royalty.
Royalties.
Beautiful ways of generating
Income.
passive income.
Dude, I think we are. I think 5 years down the line, maybe our kids will have lost sense of what is real and what is AI
Yeah, yeah.
because they are in so much into AI
That's
world.
the sad black part
Yeah,
of
yeah.
it.
I have to tell my daughter every day, कि भाई ये सच नहीं है जो आप देख रहे हो because what happens I feel अगर कुछ चीज़ें बार बार दोहराई जाती है ना it becomes truth even though it is not truth. I think I'm scared we should not reach that stage
Hmm.
where we forget difference between AI and real world.
Yeah, yeah.
So that I think it's upon us now to keep that still alive, where we keep on telling them, hampering them by जो दिखता है वो सब सच नहीं होता
Correct,
है,
correct.
because I do know a few podcasters or YouTubers as you call them coming and saying this on their videos that whatever we do is not true. ये सब सच नहीं होता है. But the influenced Gen Z doesn't believe that. They think whatever they see is truth.
Hmm.
So ये बहुत ज़रूरी है,
बहुत ज़रूरी.
yeah.
Because we have lived the both worlds, it's
We've
easy
seen
to
both the worlds,
differentiate.
yeah, we've seen both
But
worlds.
the next generation who has seen only this word or less of our word, I would say.
Thinks this
difficult.
is real,
Yeah, yeah, absolutely.
because they do come to us with parenting tips as well, no? Sometimes.
I mean, there is no filter. Na. If someone thinks about something, he puts onto YouTube. And they feel that sometimes I even tell to my kid if अगर मुझे अभी तुझे कुछ सलाह देनी है तो YouTube के द्वारा दो.
Better रहेगा.
Because something
YouTube will be a
comes
better
while
teacher.
scrolling, then you believe it's
It's true. True.
If someone directly facing you,
Becomes difficult, yeah.
yeah, true.
I think that's the challenge, generational challenge that we guys have to face.
Correct. But it's more for them.
Yeah, I think
we are
mankind. I think it is
trying
more
to-
for mankind, humankind,
Yeah.
because
teach them is for them. Otherwise, our life. I'm not saying it's past, but we have known what's good, bad, right, wrong. So tell me, Meena, कुछ ऐसा implementation हुआ हो? We touched upon your important clients, but some of the important implementations कुछ किया हो? Like is SAP always plug and play, or it also has certain features कि अच्छा इधर ये इसको चाहिए तो ये fit होगा?
see, generally, the ideal philosophy is working with standard SAP solutions that we
Yeah,
have because they get supported. But
Yeah.
of course, sometimes it happens that as a finance leader, you might want to just not see normal profitability. You might want to see region wise,
Correct.
product wise profitability, so we sort of customize those solutions for you and get them to you, so that you are, as a management, you can make a better decision. As a finance person, you can make a better judgment. Should I continue this region? Should I continue this product?
And that you had.
Yeah,
But I
so
would have believed that should be in SAP normal also,
yeah,
because regional.
it is, it is there, but you might want to go to a granular
Further.
level. So that level might not be supported,
Yeah, yeah.
might be supported so depends,
So in one of the cases you did
yeah,
that, and
this
again, okay.
second can be, if you want to, like we have a lot of e-commerce companies now, so you have marketplace aggregators. You might want to integrate that with SAP, so that you get real site information about what orders are coming through e-commerce marketplaces. So we integrate those as well, because most of our companies are big companies, big organizations, so they're definitely onto e-commerce. So that's
Yeah.
an important space that is very relevant to any market today, and we are into that as well. So customization, integration, everything is possible.
Correct.
But general philosophy would be to go with standard SAP solutions that have been provided to, because you would want to avoid unnecessary nuances going into a system, because SAP has got lots of controls built
Yeah,
into
yeah.
system, and we are appreciative of that. You
Yeah.
might not really want to touch something that is excellent
Tried,
at SAP is
tested.
excellent
Yeah,
at, yeah.
yeah. but tell me, business models are also evolving these days. शार्क टैंक में कई बार ऐसे सुनाई देते हैं जिस जो कभी सोचा भी नहीं था. So how as good is SAP in, because they also have to build those kind of problems in their model.
I
क्योंकि
think
each model will have.
yeah, I
its
think we just recently attended this SAP Now AI tour, and it was amazing. SAP as an organization, has been in the market for quite a long time. They understand the importance of having and increasing their business and adapting their ERP to what is existing in the market
Yeah,
currently. So they've got these AI agents. They call something as business AI. They work with Databricks. So they are evolving, and
so they are with the times.
they are evolving themselves. And I see 5 years down the line, if the ERP is not able to adopt itself to the newer technologies, businesses will suffer. But
Yeah,
SAP has its own background. It has research. It has its investment in there. So I'm very confident about
That they
the way
will-
SAP. Yeah,
Yeah,
SAP
100%.
has been running the market and ERP.
Correct. Okay, tell me, Meena, if someone wants to build a career in SAP, how to go about it? If he's a youngster just starting his career in finance, his or her.
See, SAP has various modules. It is a very big ERP. So first of all, you will have to understand what is your interest area into. Like for example, if I talk about FICO, essentially commerce graduates would be somebody who would be more aligned to that role. So first of all, understanding what your strengths are,
Correct.
and then going into SAP is an excellent way of looking at SAP. Secondly, having mentors, somebody who has been into SAP world, understanding from them कि SAP क्या करता है. अगर आपको करियर बनाना है, how can you approach? Which organizations? Do you need to take certain certifications? Because there are many organizations, who provide you with SAP certifications.
Okay.
So there are different modules in SAP. So they provide you, first of all, they provide you training, and then there's an SAP certification examination which happens. And once you clear it, you are a SAP certified consultant, and then you start working, or your SAP career starts from there. Sometimes it can be, there are certain private trainers. They train you on SAP. They don't provide you certifications, but they train you on SAP. So then
Practical
you are a
training
trained SAP consultant. You are not a certified SAP consultant.
But not ideal, right? If you want to go ahead, then.
It would be mixed. We would always preferably
Certified.
you would have a certified SAP
Yeah,
consultant works well. But okay, while we are talking about career here, I would like to add that we do have walk-ins for freshers in our organization. And one, when we talk about challenges, one challenge, it was not a challenge, it was sort of something that stuck me very badly there. We had these walk-ins. We had around 10 to 15 open positions for freshers, that was our appetite at that point in time. And we had around 600 to 700 people walking in for the interview.
Okay.
We started off this with the registration, which happened like a week ago.
Yeah.
And as soon as the registrations happened, we knew that this is huge.
I think I remember your LinkedIn post was there. I think you are talking about that.
Yes. I'm talking about that. We keep on having it, but when it happened first time, I'm talking about that event. we had to have stop registrations there, you know, कि इतने ही लोग हम ले पाएंगे, इससे ज़्यादा हम इंटरव्यू नहीं कर पाएंगे, because we were not prepared.
Yeah.
So then we sort of designed our interview process where we take certain stages of interview and then get resources into our organization. और उन 600-700 में से मैं सिर्फ 6 या 7 लोगों को ले पाई,
वैकेंसी में और 8-10 बाकी
थे
और आने वाले इतने थे फिर भी नहीं ले.
नहीं और इतने
Oh,
लोग आए थे
sad
एंड हमने
really.
हैंडल किया था इतने लोगों को, एंड दैट मेड मी
And what
फील
was that rejection criteria? Not up to it.
yeah. So I think the quality of resources or the talent that is coming out from colleges,
So all were interview rejections or somewhere
somewhere
didn't
aptitude-
see even the criteria and just
no, I think we gave them all equal chance, so all of them gave an aptitude test.
Okay.
So all of them gave aptitude test. Few of them didn't crack that. Few of them went to a next stage where technical rounds were done, group discussions were done. So the problem is not one area; it is multiple areas. You know, so it can be communication, generation not knowing the subject matter well,
Yeah. That even we
coming
have faced.
prepared, coming prepared for what they are getting into.
Yeah.
And it's heartbreaking, you know, because I would have loved to employ all of them.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, I
Especially
cannot
when
because
so many were there.
Yeah.
So you just had to select.
yeah, I did, and I wanted to select more. I was not able to select more, you know,
It's
because
one
everything.
person,
Yeah,
yes.
because they have this. We have certain criterias,
Yeah.
and you cannot completely overlook those criterias.
Correct,
You know, when you're hiding, and it breaks your heart. You know, when you have so many rejections,
Yeah.
because you feel इतना population है India के पास, but are they trained?
Yeah.
So I think as professionals, all of us should put some time in mentoring people.
Correct. I know.
Where these college parts out, you know, have some workshops or something, you know, which gets them ready to start their corporate journey.
People have come up with various solutions. Like I know there are some companies जो practical tally training देती है. The problem which they identified was that if a chartered accountant has to hire or a small businessman has to hire, the basic software that one should know is to tally. But if they learn from computer classes, it's not good enough. So that startup has done what? They try to give the real
Real insights. I think
but all those still, even we take interviews, even I agree to your point that either one of the two things will happen. In your case, you didn't select. Certain times बेचारा उसको चाहिए तो उसको मालूम है, इसको नहीं आता है तो भी just because that is the one who came, वो ले लेता है. वो तो और बेकार situation.
yeah, I think that gets inefficiencies into the system.
And
you
in
know,
some case, in some ways, I think it has gone backwards. During our days, we used to say कि education में कुछ improvement होना चाहिए. Government ने अपनी तरीके से तो कुछ initiatives लिए भी. At least it should have moved forward from those days. But I believe
it has
the
gone
interview which I used to take in 2014-15, उसमें जो candidates आते थे,
much higher quality.
much higher. I don't know in your case what has happened. It has gone backwards. So it is not only with system, education system. There is something more to it. Maybe generation, their thinking habit, casually interview में आ जाना, underprepared आना, and
So I
how
think
to solve it.
so it's, if you're talking about SAP careers, if somebody is really wanting to make SAP career, they be damn serious about it.
Yeah.
Because
You cannot
nobody is,
just,
you just cannot see, first of all, technology inclination is a must.
Yeah.
You need to be technologically inclined to get into SAP to some extent. You know, we have this combination of functional and technical consultants. So we have functional consultants who are not very technical, so you can fit in there if you are not completely
थोड़ा inclination.
but आना होना, technology inclination definitely होना चाहिए आपको. So the technology inclination is a must. So if because the cost that you pay for the certification is huge, so you would not want your parents to invest such a huge amount and then ending up knowing that यार मैं तो इसके लिए बना ही नहीं था.
Yeah.
So आप जब कर रहे हो certifications, be aligned that is your interest area. Be prepared. Talk to your peers, talk to your seniors who are in the industry. What do they really do?
Yeah.
Because I do have few resources with me currently. You know, उन्होंने हमारे साथ जर्नी शुरू कर दी SAP की. They qualified, you know, they knew. But जब when they actually started working, they realized what they have to really do as a SAP consultants. So it is essential that you understand from industry experts कि वो क्या हो रहा है. जैसे आजकल I think it's very easy for you. You go to LinkedIn. You have many SAP experts on there.
Yeah.
They have
Ready
their
to
own
help also, yeah.
they have their own YouTube channels. Go through their journey. So ये सब preparedness आपको ही करना पड़ेगा as a candidate.
Correct.
You cannot expect that somebody does it for
Yeah.
you.
Yeah. So that's
वो-
what. That doesn't have anything to do with education system.
yeah.
But in career guidance also, I have not seen coming this as one of the areas. So at what stage? Because correct me if I am wrong, during our days, either it was a shift from a finance to SAP, either by accident or through someone's guidance. But if you want to go in a planned way, why should it always be, through a shift कि पहले मैं normal finance में था, then I moved to
Yeah.
SAP?
I think
Can't it be a proper
yeah, I think the
starting
general
से ही
yeah,
SAP?
I do feel there's a gap there. The
Yeah,
general
yeah.
awareness about that is
नहीं
not
है.
there. Not
Because
there.
I-
Because people do not know okay, as a CA as well you can get into technology.
हाँ,
So this is shift is happening.
Correct.
I think with my husband, I think that is
but
how
why
it
not
started.
even a non-CA cannot? I think
He can.
Yeah, yeah.
So I took
I am
example
talking
of a
from
CA.
those days कि career guidance में CA, ICAA थोड़ा अभी लोग घुसा रहे एक्चुअली.
हाँ, yeah.
But why not?
This-
तो उतना
this-
early start होगा.
I think वो अभी realization बढ़ गया है. अभी बढ़ गया है थोड़ा सा.
Correct.
But it is still not there.
Yeah.
ऐसा नहीं.
My son career guidance I went, he never mentioned this is also an option. See, whether he would have taken not taken is a different. But as a career
I
guidance,
feel there is a gap there. That's what I said. No, कि awareness कम है. लोगों को पता ही नहीं है कि ये भी market exist करता है.
correct.
And it's a very lucrative industry to be in.
Yeah, that's
You are into like niche of the skills,
Correct. And agreed certification में cost high, but so what? तो दूसरे courses भी quite high.
Exactly.
MBA and all are
हाँ,
quite.
लेकिन आप नहीं मैं जो कर पाते हैं वो तो सही है जो नहीं कर पाते ना उनके लिए मैं बोल रही हूँ कि आई हैड लाइक उन्होंने भरा था और सब आए थे बट मुझे उनमें वो स्किल दिखा ही नहीं.
That's
So you
a
need to. So there should be a guide, somebody who's guiding you to do
Correct,
that. And this guidance nowadays is readily available. Go to YouTube. आप पढ़ो एसएपी के बारे में कितने वहाँ पॉडकास्टर्स हैं. दे विल टेल यू. यूट्यूबर्स हैं कि भाई आप क्या करता है एसएपी. उन्होंने अपनी एसएपी जर्नी कैसे शुरू की. एंड इनफैक्ट दे प्रोफेशनली आर मेंटरिंग पीपल नाउ.
So
So
which
you
means
should-
good time gap है. You can become, but
You should
also
become.
make
Because that
sure
is where
that
the world
one
is
you are
going.
inclined and second
Your
that
interest lies there.
probably you need to do constant learning as well. वो तो चलो हर फील्ड में है.
या
but
जैसे कि
yeah.
एक चीज़ है कि कंटिन्यूस लर्निंग.
वो तो आई थिंक
हाँ, वो लगेगा
एवरी
ही.
फील्ड बट
हाँ.
मोर सो
टेक्नोलॉजी
टेक्नोलॉजी
में
वाले
ज़्यादा है.
फील्ड में आई
तो
बिलीव
अगर आपके पास वो एपेटाइट है कि भाई मैं सीखते रहूँगा
तो ही
सो ये करो. हाँ,
Correct.
वो तो रहना ही पड़ेगा. वो नॉट टेक्नोलॉजी टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट विशाल वी डिड सीए वी आर स्टिल लर्निंग सो मेनी
Yeah,
थिंग्स
yeah, absolutely.
So I think learning
Different
never
kind
stops.
of learning.
Learning, yeah. You learn, unlearn, and I think that's the journey of life. Not only in career,
Correct.
but personally as well, right? We are growing as
Yeah.
it's a human being,
Yeah.
as a person. We keep on growing.
yeah.
I think we are talking more mature now than we did 20 years ago when we were,
Kids.
doing kids and doing
That
article
time we
shit.
had the luxury to be like kid till longer
Yeah,
time.
and we used to love your PJs.
Yeah. If you allow, I can correct now also. But yeah.
I don't need it now, Vishal. Thank you.
Okay. Time for some rapid fire if you are up for it.
Do I have a hamper?
I will just award you with okay 5 on 5. Even if you're wrong, I may say
Next
okay.
time you better get me a hamper, Vishal.
But you are good suggestion to me. So this is my second rapid fire.
Okay.
So earlier I didn't used to have rapid fire. Now
Okay.
one more segment will be added, rapid fire with gift. Thanks, but unfortunately nothing for you today.
Okay. चलो कुछ तो improvement किया. Tell me.
So up for it?
Go on.
I will just shoot 4 or 5 questions. Whatever immediately comes to your mind, just
Yeah.
go with it. Okay. So a big myth about SAP.
I think that it's only for large organizations like Fortune 500 companies. It's a myth.
It's a myth. It's not so. Okay. One book that inspired you.
I think it's inspiring me. Ikigai. I'm reading it and I'm just loving it. So yeah,
Okay, so
Ikigai.
currently-
I'm reading that currently
If I
and
may
just
ask what it's about.
yeah, it's about the Japanese lifestyle, how they work, they live,
Ah.
the healthy. We have these blue zones in
Correct,
world.
correct,
So
correct.
Okinawa is one of that places in Japan, which is number 1 on there. So people in there, how they live, they are still living basic lifestyle and they are able to live their lives, which is up to 100 years.
Hmm.
So, for example, a simple task like not having staircases still, not having lifts, sorry, using staircases to climb. The roads there are still in the slope, so they actually have to climb those roads.
Oh.
So they have their inbuilt capacity still retained by themselves. So अभी भी 100 साल की उम्र पे वो कर पा रहे हैं.
Excellent.
So So because you need to balance life professionally, personally as well, and I think this gives you insights into life which is completely from different angle. So yeah.
But that's my next question. How to keep work-life balance?
Okay. I think it works differently for everybody.
Yeah, yeah.
Personally, if you ask me, I think if you love what you do, you cannot switch on of your passion at 6 o'clock in the evening.
Yeah, yeah.
So
There is
मेरे लिए तो वो चलता रहता
there
है.
is
But I
nothing
think
like that.
there's not a single recipe which works for everybody. But for me, I think I love what I'm doing.
Yeah.
So there is
So balance automatically आ जाता है.
automatically हो जाता है because मुझे पसंद है जो मैं करती हूँ.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And what's that one biggest thing you have learned from your entrepreneurial journey?
Okay, that's a good question. Progress over perfection.
Okay.
Because sometimes you are in dilemma, मैं ये करूँ या ऐसे करूँ या वैसे करूँ. And by nature, you want to be perfect all the times. And वो जो delay हो जाता है, might
कभी-कभी timing
timing,
important.
you delay that decision. So your progress stops. So sometimes it is okay to rush your decisions, but it has to be a calculated
take
risk.
decisions, yeah.
So progression over perfection is something that I have learned in this
Correct,
journey.
correct.
Yeah.
And last one mistake that a startup should avoid.
Okay.
They do many mistakes, but at least ये वाला avoid करो.
I think I'll say two here.
Okay, yeah.
First is understanding customer requirement and pulse is very important. तो अगर आप कुछ बेच रहे हो, be it product, be it service, whether customer needs it, understanding that is very important because आप किसी को चाहिए नहीं तो बेच ही नहीं सकते हो. So that
Just because you have started your
yeah,
business,
you will
they
not,
won't.
and they will not buy it.
Correct.
Sometimes you have this mutual fund guys coming to you, आप irritate हो जाओगे.
Yeah, yeah.
लेकिन अगर वो आपको समझाएगा कि आपको क्यों ज़रूरत है और आपको एक्चुअली ज़रूरत है तो आप लोगे और सुनोगे भी.
Correct.
सो आई थिंक इट वर्क्स लाइक दैट.
Correct.
और सेकंड इज मैनेजिंग योर फाइनेंसेस वेल. कुछ भी कर लो, एवरीथिंग बॉइल्स डाउन टू फाइनेंस. आपके पास एक्सेलेंट आइडियाज है, पैसे भी मिल गए आपको, बट इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू मैनेज योर फंड्स वेल,
Yeah.
you get into multiple troubles. So I think managing finance from day one, I think every startup has to
Thanks.
cannot avoid
Yeah.
not
Through
doing
this
it.
answer, you are helping me because I have been trying to educate the same thing, and I will some extent successful also because our virtual CFO services mainly run to SMEs,
Yeah.
and that's why
I think exactly. So startups should
Yeah.
probably reach out to
correct,
you,
correct.
understand why it is important, how they should be managing
correct.
it, and I think
The whole idea is that of course day one से तुम CFO नहीं रखोगे.
नहीं
And that's where
रखोगे. You
virtual-
cannot afford
but
it
day
and you
one
will
से
not
तुम्हें-
want it as well. Yeah.
Correct. So that it is something more than accountant. That's what
Yes,
we want to educate.
Yeah, true. So I think having a great finance person along with a good IT partner
Yeah, absolutely.
is something that any organization needs, and I think they need both of us. Then Vishal.
Yeah, nice
Yeah.
way to end here. But just before we end,
Huh.
I would like to hear from you 5 or maybe 3 years because times are now running fast. So within next 3 years, where do you see IntelliViews? Initially, we used to say 5, but 5 is now big.
Long, yeah.
So,
I think one thing, I do not know where I'll be in terms of numbers, because I think that's a number. But I will be excellent in whatever I'm doing now. So a better way of doing what I'm doing now and ensuring that I'm able to deliver to customers something that is better than what they are doing currently is where I want to be. And I think with SAP, with other products as well, that is what I want to do for my customers. Yeah.
excellence is the word.
Yeah.
we
In
heard
technology,
lot of
in
times
technology
from
field, yeah.
you.
So I think that I love that word.
Yeah.
Because it's not driven by money, it's driven by passion.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
And it is a word like a mountain. We feel that we have achieved, but it is still
Yeah, you
somewhere
keep on
there.
rising. The bar keeps on rising.
bar
you know.
keeps on rising.
Yeah.
So if someone has to reach out to you, I mean IntelliViews, what's the best way to do that?
I think multiple avenues. We have our website, we have our sales ID as well there.
Okay.
So they can easily reach out to them. My team is there to support them. They'll call
Understood.
them back to understand what the business requirements are.
Sure.
And I think that is how the business has been, generally, cold calling, references, networks. That's how the business has been growing. And I think
You never
Will
know.
be-
Your next client could be through me because some way
Yeah,
we are
I would
connected.
be- yeah,
My
yeah.
company grows
I
so
think-
much that our regular solutions may not be enough, and then I
yeah,
refer.
I would be happy to serve. I'll be happy to serve, I think.
Absolutely loved you having here, and we can have some other sessions covering some other topics, but we should continue having like SAP में और deep जाना or whatever you may call it. But it was
Yes.
wonderful session. Yeah.
Same here, Vishal. It was nice interacting with you after so many years.
Yeah. Glad.
So